I'm Chris Robinson here at City Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Electric. I'm an apprentice here, and I want to show you a little plumbing tip you can use for your house, or that we can do for you. This is called a toilet leak detector that we use a little package, a little blue package in there we can use, throw in the back right in the toilet tank. Be careful, you don't want to get this in your little fill valve. You don't want to mess anything up. You wait about, say about 20 or 30 minutes for it to settle in there. And if it doesn't hold, you'll see your tank down here blue. So as you see, a toilet failed here, but it's okay. That means that your flapper is bad, and we can just switch that out really fast, real easy, and that's it. If you have any questions, our number is below, or you can call us. Don't hesitate.